In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create SIP calculator in Microsoft Excel. We are going to build a simple SIP calculator that helps estimate the future value of your investment using Excel's future value formula. SIP stands for Systematic Investment Plan, which is a method of investing a fixed amount regularly over time. In this example, we will create a basic calculator that uses a monthly investment amount, an expected annual return, and the investment period in years to calculate future wealth. Start by opening Microsoft Excel and clicking on Blank Workbook so you have a fresh sheet to work with. Once the workbook is open, go to cell A1 and type Monthly Investment. Then in cell A2, type Annual Expected Return, followed by a % in parentheses. In cell A3, type Time Period with years in parentheses. Finally, in cell A4, type Future Wealth. These labels make the calculator easy to read and clearly show what each input represents. Next, enter the sample values. In cell B1, type 5,000. This is the amount being invested every month. In cell B2, type 12%. This is the expected annual rate of return. In cell B3, type 10. This represents the total investment period in years. Now we will calculate the result. Click on cell B4 and enter the formula equals FV. Open parenthesis B2 divided by 12, B3 multiplied by 12, negative B1, 0, 1. Close parenthesis. This formula works by converting the annual return into a monthly rate by dividing it by 12. It also converts the total time in years into the number of monthly investment periods by multiplying by 12. The monthly investment is entered as a negative value because Excel treats it as money going out. The 0 represents the present value, which means we are starting without a lump sum investment in this example. The final value of 1 tells Excel that the contribution is made at the beginning of each month. After you press Enter, Excel will display the estimated future wealth in cell B4. If you want, you can later change the values in cells B1, B2, and B3 to test different investment amounts, return rates, or time periods. This is a simple and effective way to build a SIP calculator in Excel using one formula that covers everything you need to know.